Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable Hey XPeng on your XPeng vehicle. So to enable the XPeng, what are we going to do first is we're going to go over into the vehicle icon. From here, we want to go to Voice Assistant, and here we have the Hey XPeng option. Now, you don't really need an activation button for your assistant because you just say Hey XPeng and it will do the rest for you. So now we enable this option and we're gonna say Hey XPeng,
Hey,
fold my side mirrors.
the rear view mirrors are folded.
And now the rear view mirrors are folded. Can you unfold them for me?
The rear view mirror is being unfolded.
Thank you, bye.
Navigation is not yet started.
As you guys can see, sometimes it might be a bit glitchy. It's pretty normal, but normally it would just say bye and it will basically just go on about its day. So that's how you guys can set up the Hey XPeng option. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.